This is the HRV, so it's kind of how your house breathes and gets fresh air in and gets stagnant air out. And to check this, you just unbuckle this and unbuckle this, and then this will flip up. And inside here, there's there's a filter on each side. So you just want to make sure these are clean.
Mm-hmm.
So
it's washable, right?
yeah, that one. You can vacuum them off.
Okay.
Or if they get grimy, you could wash it as well.
Mm-hmm.
And there's one there and there's one here.
Oh,
There's a high volume of air that comes through here. I don't have the filter.
okay.
But once a year, I want to see how these ones work. Yeah, once a year, you might also have to do it with almost 2 people. But this whole thing will slide out. So if you can pull it like that, and then you can just look at it. If it looks clean, it's okay. If it's not clean, you can lift that whole thing out and you can spray it off with water. Well, vacuum it off, then give it a spray. It's okay to get wet and
Clean
things.
them up.
Yeah, once a year if it needs to be. These things you check every month or 2.
Every month?
These every month or 2. So what I tell people is instead of opening that up all the time, this is easier. So just check these. If these looked really dirty, then I would say, oh, I should probably check that one. So
Okay.
instead of opening that up every month, you can just, and really it's only in the spring that anything gets dirty. In the winter, there's nothing floating in the air, so everything's fine. It's gonna be the spring when all the plants and trees are letting go all of the pollen.